If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can also apply a pattern as a fill to a layer or a selection. As mentioned earlier in this chapter, you can apply a pattern when you select Edit and then either Fill Layer or Fill Selection from the menu bar. Earlier, you looked at applying a fill color using this method. Now you will look at using the same method to apply a pattern. First, make the selection that you want to fill with the pattern. Next, select Edit, Fill Selection from the menu bar to open the Fill Layers dialog box. Select Pattern from the Use drop-down. Below the Use drop-down, you'll see the currently selected pattern shown in the Custom Pattern drop-down. Select the pattern you want to apply by clicking the drop-down arrow to select a preset pattern from the drop-down list. You can click the Patterns drop-down within this menu to select other pattern sets from the list if desired. To the right of the Patterns drop-down within the menu, note that you can click the Options button to reset the loaded patterns, save patterns, and load new patterns just like you did with brushes. After selecting a pattern, then select a blending mode from the Mode drop-down and use the Opacity field to set the percentage of opacity for the fill pattern. If filling a layer that has transparent pixels and you do not wish to fill the transparent pixels, then check the Preserve Transparency checkbox. If filling a layer without transparent pixels or a selection, this checkbox is unavailable. To apply the selected fill pattern when you are ready, click the OK button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.